Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to crochet a single crochet stitch border right round the diamond motif. To begin, make a slip knot, attach your yarn to the piece by inserting your hook into this space here and then into the loop, and then you pull through to start your single crochet stitches. So from here you yarn over and then pull through the loop. Then in the same space, single crochet 1. So that's our first single crochet. So from here we're going to single crochet 1 stitch into every row. These are our rows. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to continue doing that until we get to this corner here. Crocheted our first single crochet in there. So second single crochet into the next row. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So continue doing the same until we get to the corner. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And from here we single crochet 1, chain 1, single crochet 1 in the same space, and then we start working on the next side. So we single crochet first stitch in this row, and then single crochet the second stitch in the next row. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Then in this corner we single crochet 1, chain 1, and then single crochet 1 in the same space, and then we start the next side. So we continue repeating the same steps until we get to where we started from. When we get to this corner, we single crochet 1, chain 1, single crochet 1 in the same space, then leave a tail, cut your yarn, then pull the loop, remove the hook, and from here we're going to use our tapestry needle to finish the round. So we go into the first stitch, which is this one here. We set our needle and pull through. Then insert your needle back in the stitch here. So we've made an invisible join. Okay, then from here we weave in the loose ends. That's how you crochet the single crochet border on all the diamond motifs. This will ensure that you have the same number of stitches on all sides, and that will make it very easy for you to join the motifs. For the white motifs, don't leave any tails. Make sure that you weave in all the tails on the white motif. On the other motifs, leave long tails, 45 to 50 centimeters long, so that you can use those tails to sew your pieces together. That's the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy crafting.